I take PT. Look at that fucking bounce. London low. We just got an inversion of order flow. Could see London highs now. Step by step. Step by step this morning. God damn.
Push it through, baby.
Yeah, that type of strength, I would expect London high real quick. Your defense, if you are short, is the inversions you made from earlier, which is going to be starting at 539 on NQ. Your last spot to hang on before making new highs on NQ is going to be 560, 220. If you're getting through that with aggression, it's wraps on the shorts. I got all out. We're done there. We're going to look for some trades for the other two accounts that I wasn't linked on. I'm also not going to rush into anything just because I didn't have my accounts linked, right? It's easy to feel like right now the market owes me more, right? It's easy to feel like that, but the market doesn't owe any of us anything, right? Just because I happen to not have my accounts linked and something happened or whatever, doesn't mean I deserve another winning trade, right? So we can't think like that.
I have orders set above. Oh my god, we just missed one of my orders by literally 0.25 and it just fell 50 points.
So your defense is holding. Defense for the shorts is holding so far. It is a good thing. If you do hold this, and on the higher time frame, if we want to keep respecting this area, I see us going all the way to Asia low. But I need to see a little bit more before I'm super confident in that happening. Asia low is going to be 19,140. So obviously plenty of opportunity to the downside. That's 360 points from now. Lots of opportunity. And then what's beautiful is once we go take Asia low, if we do, I could be a lot more bullish after that. We'll see. Depends on what I see, but top four. Good morning.
Good morning.
I just pinned the chart last night. I was running the premium to discount, just the auto fibs, and the low of yesterday on QQQ was the 3-1 golden pocket 3 right there. Pinned that.
Okay, I have two short at 40.75. I have orders up above that I hope we hit.
Orders.
Yeah, to get more short. Why is Oscar down today? I don't see any reason. But I'm going to be... It's going to give me a reason to buy more. That's for sure.
If we are upside today, had a 56.70 target.
Come on. Pop it true. Pop it true. They're going to flag it here for an upside move, it looks like. Or maybe not.
NVIDIA's 3% up.
I think I spoke too soon. I have a stop and profit on my short there. Let's rip that stop and profit down, baby. Beautiful. Okay, I got stopped in profit for $170 on the small ad that I had. I'm waiting to see what to do now. Just bounced off the 2-minute and 9. I'm trading live up above. I just put the link there. I do want to send this higher though. I just dropped it down 3 times and instantly brought it back up. That says we want Mo.
Yeah, this right here is our spy, and it's flat or green. It's here only up 0.5%. Could be crossing 28 down. It's a little spicy. I mean, given the environment we're in, the fast sell-off.
I think we're going to move into 1565, 1580 here on NQ.
Is that above us or below us? I don't know.
Above.
Oh, man.
HIMS is being him. Did you ever grab any more, or are you not interested?
I didn't. My equity exposure is tapped out with Intel and MSTR.
Ew. Got
I
it.
almost had a limit stop at 300, and then I loaded here.
From SDR.
Yep.
Is it up today?
No, it was last week.
Okay.
It hit 320 Friday or Thursday, and yeah. So and then now we're back to the zone about it.
I still feel like we're gonna test higher, but obviously everything's been sell the dips. Sell the rips. Oh no, they really held us up there multiple times. Big dips too. All 3 in the same area held it up strong. And we could say the same thing to the upside. Right to the same area basically for the resistance, and yeah.
Yeah, in these sell environments, the rips can be very violent. Dead cat bounce. Taking large steps to the downside, and then quick elevator, taking 1 step to the upside. And if everyone remembers trading in early 2022, and in that bear market, we had very big green days in between these long multiple sessions of red.
And honestly, we haven't had those big green days. Like we've had, in reality, I feel like we've had instances of green, but definitely not like the 2020 COVID and 2022, like where one day it could be a nice strong hammer. And I know we've gotten hammers on the daily. But we've only actually gotten 3 of them, I should say. But I know we had some green and some end of day runs, but like 2020 and 2022, like this has been straight down. It has literally been sell the rip every single time. And we haven't had any leeway yet where we actually do get like a 2-day pop, a 3-day pop, and then get brought down. We've been just getting repeatedly taken down.
VIX just flipped negative.
Yeah, we're going for the 564 right now. We just got a new high day on NQ. We gonna get it, baby. We're gonna get 564, probably 580. There's 563. 564. Next would be 580, which is pre-market high. 582, sorry.
Here's London high. Love to see it, man. Step by step. From PT, London low gets manipulated straight to London high now. Bang.
We just got
you can see a setup up here. I'll take the fucking same move back down to London low. But this looks a little stronger. I wouldn't be surprised if we get some aggression and high, get a little more of a bullish day going. But
yeah, it actually looks like they're going to give it a go.
I still am realizing that no matter what, Asia lows are never tapped in. And sometimes we have anomalies like yesterday that Asia high never got tapped into, but one of these days in the market it will. And same with this Asia low. This Asia low will come into play one of these days. So just keeping that in mind.
We're going to go to 600. Come on. Bust us through. Bust us through. Bust us.
Tesla through pre-market high.
Is she pumping?
The Morgan Stanley note on 200 then 800 was the headline on Tesla. Though their PT on it was like 4 something. PT 430 maintained overweight.
I just bought 100 shares of Oscar. I think we're really about to get a 640 move on NQ. I would like to short around there.
Be careful on longs here for anybody until you get some real more confirmation. We just kind of sweeping these London highs, so just don't want to get caught at the potential right there or something. Still looking strong though. Again, won't be surprised if we want to see some aggression over London.
Yeah.
Especially, I mean, market's gotten beat up, right? We need a nice bounce day. Get some rebalancing going. Especially on the weekly. I mean, again, we can still drop more before we need to actually rebalance, but I mean, at some point, I move back to 21,120 at least. The zone goes all the way to 652. So, again, does that have to happen this week? No, not at all. But overall, on the weekly time frame, I do expect the market to end up rebalancing into that area, which is pretty close to highs again. Keeping my eyes out for any other setups for my other two accounts that weren't linked, but I mean, for the majority, I'm done for the day. I got my move, but we're gonna keep our eyes out for anything else that's actionable, and might get something here actually. Let's see.
Yeah, they're bringing it down. Really thought they were going to push it straight up. Let's see. I didn't take a long on it, but I'm waiting and watching. Could be a buy here, but I'm not going to give it a go.
Apple 2% down. What's going on over there?
Okay, now they're trying to drain it. If we get to 480, I'm going to be a buyer. Who knows if we get there?
Apple's at the start of a daily order block. It bounced on in January, 222 to 220. Does look like it could be setting up for tighter consolidation.
HIMS. Nice. I think they take this down that 480. $463. I'm watching here.
Amazon 200 almost reject.
Hey, yo. Bounce, bounce, bounce. I don't know. I got nothing to trade this with right now. No gunpowder. Just waiting.
I mean, after the moves we've made, like, I think you don't need to rush into positions right here.
Yeah. Hey, HIMS at 37. What do you hear? What do you say? Just in the chat.
Damn, market just got smacked again.
Oh wait, I got filled.
Beautiful, because that was a beautiful
Oh.
move and
Oh.
with the knives.
Oh.
Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
That was a big wick off the ball. Holy shit, yes!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
This is wild looking. Oh, damn.
I covered. I mean, I trimmed 75%. I had 480 and 464. I mean, no, I had more than that.
Jolts right now. Be fucking careful.
Oh my lord. Oh my god, I'm up 100 points in a minute. I'm up 100 points in a minute.
Let's go, baby.
Oh my god, that is so hot.
How many accounts just got blown?
Oh my lord. Oh, new highs. Holy shit. My stop's at 572.
Go, you dog.
I feel like Frank.
We still have that.
I feel like fucking Frank.
You are Frank right now, man.
Wow. That is the greatest thing ever. This account's about to go funded. Nice 800 point trade there. Sorry, wow. Wow. $800 trade.
800 points.
800 points, I have a heart attack.
Fuck. One of these days.
Yeah, I would have a heart attack there, sorry. Hell, the way we're going though with this market.
Back to back 100 points. I started off with the short. You got the 100 point long, dude. Love this.
Yeah, the way we're going though, like literally, we could have 800 point days. Well, we have today. Fuck.
Yeah, dude. 100 point days are like not out of the norm now.
Wow, wait a second. I have to see. I think my order was literally at that 565, which is the low. How do I go back and check that?
Was it futures?
Yes, Top
Turn
Step.
on executions. Just turn on your executions.
Okay, hold on. Let me try.
Are you on Top Step or are you on TradingView?
Top Step.
Okay, go to Top Step. Go to.
Oh, chart executions.
Yeah, it should be in settings on charts and data, I think. Yeah, show chart execution.
I got filled 3 at 464 and 3 at 482.
Oh,
I literally had the low bottom.
yeah.
But it shows the low
Bottom
is.
tick that candle.
Oh no, it shows it was 463.50. Yeah.
Are we gonna rug Asia lows now, or
Wow.
is London low the holdup?
We have new tariffs from Trump on Truth Social, 25% on to 50% on steel and aluminum from Canada.
Whoa.
Heard that.
Grabbed here at 442. VWAP and 200 SMA in the 5-minute. Oh.
Oh my!
I'm out. Yeah, I'm instantly out.
At London highs. Oh my god.
I got instantly out on that one. Lost 100.
Well, was manipulation in a 4-hour gap. We should probably see these new low a day again. Damn, that was nasty. Again, I hate to be that guy, but Asia low, 19,140, 300 points lower. We haven't seen it yet. We can absolutely go see that if we need to. I know it seems crazy. The market can't drop another 300 points. Oh, it can. And it will, if it wants to. I try to erase that can't happen from my vocabulary, because every time you seem to say that, it happens. So, look at that, new low a day.
Yeah, fucking nuts.
Bias
Nuts. Dude, they just drained the whole entire move.
I think if you don't get some real buying going on here at London low, it's Asia low now. And if you're short, you are so fucking locked in. Oh my god. I wish I was still short some, but I'm happy with what I did. Wow.
Grab some at 374.
Off the cuff. Insane.
There was a re-entry I didn't pick up from my other 2 accounts. Look at that. Tomorrow I will make sure that my accounts are linked. It's going to be a morning routine now.
I just got 375. I just made back that last trade. Got stops and profit now. I'm fucking hammering it. Just call me Uncle Frank. My lord. That was wild. Oh, man, I'm still long one? Holy shit. I have shorts above here at 484. Just hit. I also have a short above at 500. Oh my god. I'm covering one. Dude, this is wild. Covering another at 57. I have 2 left. Stop and profit. This is just fucking insane.
Did we need more tariffs today? Come on.
Honestly, let's ride. Okay, I want to see how they play this out. That was just fucking intense. If they bust this through, they go to 540. And at 540, I want to look to short. I'm going to have orders at 540. I'm also going to be ready to short on puts. Why is my phone not working? Why is my phone not working? No. We didn't get to 540. I didn't. It's ass.
This is 5600 SPX. See that post going around with all-time high put volume?
No. I tried a long QQQ 477 calls. I'm also long on futures. Break of 480 looks weak. And my stops here. Limit buy. And limit buy. We got to hold here. Need to hold this for 75, 480. Oh my god, instantly dropped. Damn. Did I get stopped on? Oh, did I? Oh. I had limit buys. I didn't have stop orders. I'm green by $3. Oh no, I'm not. Okay. That was a mistake. I mistakenly did limit buys. That I had stop orders in. For the futures, at least. I'm still in the calls. The calls are only down like 7 cents. But I had to get stopped out there. Okay, come on. Push it back over that 480. Actually, 490, I should say. 9 and 21 on the... Yeah, 9 and 21 on the 2 and the 5 minute at 490. Break under 450, I'm out for a loss on the calls. And then I'm going to give it a few minutes, to be honest, because it's been shaky as shit. Market's going berserk. Come on, give us 490. Okay, the hell VWAP there. Break a VWAP, I'm out. Oh, yeah. I sold for a loss. I'm going to give it a few minutes. Yeah, I'm going to give it a few minutes here. So, just got stopped out for a loss. We broke VWAP, tested down. So now I'm just going to wait. 1,300 in futures. Down 150 in options. So up 1,100 on the day. We just had up, down, up, down. Now let's wait. Let's let this kind of settle out. Fix at 2850. Oh my God, they're going to sweep. They're sweeping. Okay, again, all rips are being sold. The game plan has not changed. They just made that very clear just now. All rips will be sold.
Yeah, if it's a tariff day, that's pretty much all long bets are off.
Yeah, I have no reason for this market to be going higher as of now based on what I'm seeing. Should see the new low a day, and I mean, potentially Asia lows, but we have some spots we could definitely hold up before then. It's quite a bit lower, 300 points. So
Joel told us immediately Trump fired back and said, "Fuck it, let's ride," and added more tariffs, and and then now we're just dying. That's crazy.
Yeah, bro, 25 to 50% randomly to try and bully Canada into being a state. I get though that the Ontario we're engaging in a trade war here. They taxed electricity at 25% kind of rather quickly. Playing with fire there. The Canada dollar is dumping. Yeah, CAD just took a dive on that Trump tweet.
I'm just waiting. Trying to bounce it again. So we had highs at 477 and lows 471, just about on NQ. I mean, sorry, Qs. Just waiting. So now we're just going crazy. I want to see us break out of this range, up or down. I've already hit these levels too many times, and I just lost for the first time today on that last one, so I'm gonna wait.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, paper.
Oh my goodness.
'Twas a morning already.
Yes, it has been. Oh, what you doing? I got the little man.
Baby papes.
Baby vapes.
You gonna dress him up as a leprechaun? Or
As a what?
as a leprechaun for St. Patty's?
Oh, what day is that?
That's a great question.
I think it's the weekend.
This weekend?
Yes.
March 17th.
Oh, damn.
We're the 11th. Is it Sunday? Sunday?
Monday, March 17th.
Monday? Monday.
Oh, did we just fill the gap? Looks like we did. And trying to extend. Aye. not like it. Why can't the market just go up again? Like the good old days.
Because we get random ass tariffs.
What the hell?
Okay, we're pushing down.
I'm short again in my other two accounts that weren't linked to my first account from the short this morning. Targeting Asia lows, but I'm looking at trim before that. My trim will be if Asia lows gets taken on ES first.
Jordy is short.
Yeah, I was already short this morning, 100 points, full position. But somehow my accounts got unlinked. I didn't do it. I don't know how that happens. Thanks, Top Step. Appreciate you, bro. Fucking assholes.
Appreciate you, bro.
Making me trade more than I need to, bro. Ridiculous. But all good. We got another opportunity. It's fine.
Mm-hmm.
It was constructive. And then it was not. I want this meetup. Dude, contracts are so freaking expensive. It's insane.
For Meta?
Just in general.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Meta, I have to go out to like 570 right now.
What's it even at? I'm not even looking.
Those are 420.
What? No, I mean, what is Meta at price wise?
601. I might have missed though. I should have grabbed it earlier. I'm late to the party right now.
If we drop here under this 350, goes yesterday's low 270, without a question.
No question.
Oh boy, there it goes. See you at 270.
Oh.
Jordan's happy.
What?
You're happy.
I'm not happy till first trim, no celebrations. But we're looking good. But no smiles, no celebrations till we get that first trim, baby. First trim's at 212.50 or 212.25.
Hey, yo.
Is what it is, man. I don't make the charts, unfortunately. If I did, we'd only go straight up, but it's all good. I'm also watching though for ES to take that low first, and then I'll trim. That'll be trim, no matter where we're at. especially because this was a later entry than I would normally take. Even though it was a great entry, it's a great position. It's just not like the first entry that I would want. It's more like third, like last. Standard deviation projection takes us to Asia low, though.
Tesla is nearing support pre-market.
Heard that.
I'm gonna see a new low.
Bouncing it back up.
Yes, grab any big spot. Kind of, but not the spot I'd be looking for. It doesn't really worry me too much at all. Mibushi?
Chop it around. Chop it around. IWM under 2 bills. VIX did actually just hit high day 10 minutes ago. Coming back down. I want my spread soon too. Come on. Right now they're holding this algo trend line here. 317. That shows weakness right there.
ES new low.
Keys is about
When ES takes
do that
Asia
too.
low, I trim.
There we go.
Almost, but not quite yet. Dial it in on that. Still pretty.
Okay, yesterday's low just tapped. Do I still have my longs there? All right, good. I don't want it. So now what do we do?
I just trimmed a con.
Oh, maybe I wanted my longs there. We just bounced.
Stop to break even on the rest, slightly in profit. Asia lows next if we keep drilling. For NQ, we're at it on ES. That was from 410.25. That was the entry. First trim there was 80.25, so pretty banging. We need to hold this gap we just made right above us. If we invert this, I'm gonna stop out the resties on these last two accounts and get the fuck up out of here.
$55.50.
VIX 2940. About to hit the 30 bomb.
Trade war just tanking everything.
You need to hold order flow bearish under this 326.50 from on NQ. ES has hit Asia low. It's done the rebalancing it needs to. NQ is lagging move. That is still over 100 points lower. 139.50 is the low. Strap the fuck in.
Microsoft made a new high last candle. If it crosses the 20 it made down here, it could be a nice short.
New lows.
Throw it up.
They're about to fucking drop it.
Throw up everywhere. Throw up everywhere.
The more I keep... Hey, talked about that when I messed up and said 800 points. We're already down 350 from the top. Jesus.
And there's that Microsoft crossing down.
I'm going to give this like 10, 15 minutes. Let it play out. See what we do. We'll go from there. And then do some spreads from there too.
If you're short snow, from your paper talking about that gap reach reject the other earnings gap that it's been filling. The low of day today and yesterday so far has been the exact midpoint of that November earnings gap. So be careful there. Oracle higher low. That could be an interesting name post earnings. 140. Yeah, Oracle crossing the 20 EMA and 3 minute here. The only problem with Oracle is their contracts are still a little expensive. 145 is $1.90 right now. That is a 3% upside move. Yeah, and crossing the 20 up. I think I'll mess with 145 Oracle calls.
We're going to touch a 9 on the 5 minute here. What do we have on the 2 minute? Hold on. No.
I got my stops in profit just above here on the last con here for the 2 accounts, and then I'm out. Definitely gonna be smaller profit on these 2 accounts, but happy with the trading. Just wish we got it all on the first trade. Gosh.
Yeah, you had that short bias, Jordan. That panned out nice.
Yeah, since 5:15 this morning, I was in shorts. But unfortunate, I've never had to check before, but I knew something was off because when you do have accounts tied, it says in the top left at your leader account, like plus how many accounts you're tied to, and it said 0. And I in the back of my mind, I was like, that's weird. But I didn't think anything more of it. I should have checked it real quick. I was mid position, already up 50 points, and I checked my other 2 accounts. I'm not getting anything. Wow, sick. Great.
I still need to open some and try those whatever prop firm things. Haven't done that in a while.
Yeah, they're good. Only sucks when something like that from this morning happens. You know what I mean? Shit like that. But other than that, especially Top Step, they're pretty damn good. But when shit like that happens, it's just annoying. Unfortunate. But again, at the end of the day, it's my fault. It's the trader's fault. I should be more aware of it. But just damn.
Oh my god.
At least if you were risk off for data at Jolts, at least it lined up with that.
Yeah, I was already out. I was out full position by Jolt's time. I was out position right into the market open when we hit my PT. So I was all out, yeah. We actually, but into Jolts. Jolts was literally just the manipulation to go lower. It's beautiful. That's also why I still think we go to Asia low, because based off of the manipulation lick we had on Jolts, the projection takes us to Asia low, which hasn't been taken at all today. So that's where PT is. Bang, bang. When it's there, it's there. I know I don't trade a whole lot, but when it's there, it's motherfucking there.
Do you see on today? Nuts.
It's on, dude.
On.
She cooking.
1.9 up. TD reiterated buy with a 64 price target. It's holding up okay.
On.
I do have a big spot, a big low from sometime last night at 212.25, but it wasn't the session low. I want the session low. See here if we hold. We do have reason to maybe hold here. I'd rather see new lows though. When's lunch as well? Lunch is in an hour and 10. Okay, so we still have some time for movement. I'd like to see my PT getting hit going into lunch. That'd be perfect, because then into lunch I'd expect the chop along my profit target. That would line up really, really well. We'll see though. Top is right above these highs, so I could pretty easily get wicked out, and it goes anyway. But with that, we made plenty of trades today. We've done what we wanted to. I took some trims already. Not a big deal. But no matter whether I get stopped out or not, I imagine this goes down there. Unless this higher time frame changes up on me a little bit, which
Yeah, I'm gonna sit this out a few minutes.
We got a big spot we're holding on the hour line, big gap we made. So I mean, if we want to hold that, I understand. If we want to run through it, though, I mean, it's coming. I'm about to get stuck. Oh, keep me in, please. The problem is my stop is right at these highs that we could just like sweep and then go lower.
Yeah, I'm just watching. I'm gonna wait on this.
Yeah, I might just get swept on and then rugged, unfortunately, but I'm not changing my risk here.
If you did take that Microsoft short, 381.94 is VWAP. Want to make sure we stay below orb high and ideally VWAP. Yeah, holding VWAP, Microsoft, and take it.
I'm about to get it. I just got stopped in profit, and I'm done for the day. 30 points of profit, at least. Little, that counted as like if I were to stop that. How much am I up? Nice. light day in these two accounts. That's okay though. I anticipated that given the opportunity I was given. Still a 699. Still a $1,200 day. Fuck yeah. Every single trade was at least a 1 to 2 restore order ratio, which is honestly kind of poor considering what we've been doing lately, but still a great restore order ratio. But just relative to the trades we've been taking, it's kind of poor, not gonna lie. We'll take it. Okay, unlink these accounts and link them all back together.
Well, if you wanted that oracle, you'd get better fill than me here.
Bro. Fuck.
Top of this Amazon candle is VWAP.
I shorted 410, covered 387, only got one MNQ because I was actually trying to fix some setting. I need to fix that. This is. Why is this not? Sure. Oh. Why is that not working? It is right. I don't know.
Oklo has gone since February 14th from $57 to now 25. If it does break this downtrend, one of those nuclear SMR names, it could be a nice one. The large dividend, Corey mentioned, comments 21%.
I've actually traded this, well, not traded it. I've actually owned it before. Now that I look at it, I think I sold it for a reason. I can't remember why.
I feel like that large. Usually, when there's huge dividends like that, it's usually from something crazy, some action.
Like a special dividend, you mean?
Yeah, though actually this one does seem to do a monthly.
Yeah, no, it is yeah, I remember it being a large monthly. I think there was a reason why I sold that. I can't remember. I think it just eroded too much.
Yeah, this daily candle looks like something is up with that company. Was it their X date or something? No, X date March 17th.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah, if you look on their investor relations, there's a net asset value update. That is why that's selling off. If Microsoft breaks VWAP now, I'm gonna be pissed. Made a lower high.
I'm gonna let this sit. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Minus 900 tick here. Be careful, shorts. Depending on.
Go for the low of day. Bounce right back. Motherfucker. Damn. Okay, they want to hold this.
Sorry, Boeing deliveries, 44 airplanes up 27, up from 27 year over year.
Mm. I'll be right back. And right back down.
Hello, we got snow news. Okay. Google Anthropic discussed AI data security deals with Snowflake and Databricks. The information.
Mm.
So yeah, that midpoint of the gap yesterday, today, looking kind of nice as a hold.
Hey, boys.
What's up, Frank?
Morning, Frank.
Hey, what's up, Frank? Big rejection and held yesterday's lows twice.
Yeah, we did hold yesterday's lows. I mean, we're just teetering right above it, but just gotta watch and see how we kind of react.
Pretty wild, fast price action, huh?
Oh yeah, Frank. I had orders on that Jolts at 464. It hit 463.50, and then it ripped up like 150. I felt like you. I said I feel like Frank.
That's amazing.
Dude, I'm not lying. That's the best thing I've learned from you so far. Well, not the best thing, but that's one of the greatest things I learned from you so far is setting those orders because I've gotten some great entries on multiple trades.
Yeah, you let them come to you.
Yep.
Pick your levels. You let them come to you. They don't work. You blow out.
Yep. And if I don't get, I just don't. I don't get it. I wait for the next trade.
I was like 30 points early, 40 points early last night, and I had to bail out, and I actually had to take a loss, which was crushing me because I was like chasing it after that. Back
Yeah.
up.
Damn.
This is actually now a bullish engulfing if Snowflake does close up here on the daily. Yeah, big Snowflake breakout here.
Hello, bounce. Holy bud. At that big hourly, we have a big hourly gap down there. That was what I was worried of for my short.
Oh yeah, that's a big one.
I already got out though. I already got out profit and everything. Beautiful.
Yo, the 1,000 lot. I was trying to text Frank. I don't know if you're the 1,000 lot NQ order. Look, I'm watching on book. Just got ripping now. This guy was chasing down all day. I think he's out.
Gonna
now.
get smoked if we go to.
I can see.
No, he was chasing from 450 to 390 to 375, and now he's off the map. I think he got filled. We're at 470 now. We just ripped
That's
50
crazy,
points above
bro.
it. We were 50 points above his limit.
You can literally see that order on the tick. We hit 8 plus 843.
Yeah, we're ripping now because that huge order. Now ES, you got to break the 605, which got 300 cells sitting there. So yeah.
Emperador.
Hey, yo, we're just 1,000 lot order on NQ. I think he's gone now.
Yeah, he pulled it.
He got filled part of it. I don't know where the rest of it went.
And I didn't see any big fills personally on NQ.
Well, then I read it wrong. Oh well, I'm taking some longs off the table then.
What's up, Jordy?
I thought he got filled. My bad. He was there and he just did. Because I saw, because someone else said he was chasing it down. Oh,
He was chasing it down. He was flashing orders and moving them down, and he pulled everything.
You're not allowed to spam the market, so he's real.
Didn't I think you were the one who caught this last time, right? Wasn't there like that's what somebody else said, right? You had you were watching the same guy last time. You got filled and we ripped like a couple hundred points after.
Yeah, it's happened a few times. We've seen a lot of big size the last few weeks. And that's what, like, a lot of these rallies that you're seeing where we just start ripping to the upside, you're seeing, like, these big orders that filled, 900 lots, 1,000 lots a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. You're seeing those guys cover. And a lot of it's happening around these headlines or key levels. And then you see new shorts coming right back in.
Ooh, covering here, 15 points on those DS longs. I would like to use your quotation today, Amp. I've been in the trenches, bro. I started with a terrible trade this morning. And I forgot Jolts was out, and that was my first trade at 957, and that candle, bro, I got smacked up, then got smacked down.
So so Jolts came out, and then Trump hit that headline after, and a lot of people got ran over because they longed that Jolts look.
I was short, forgot Jolts, got wrecked long, then went long, got wrecked on the headline, then that went short.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. A lot of people went on with the Jolts data that first half hour, things looked good, and then Trump headline just boom.
I've been in the trenches, bro, but now I'm just about to become green for the day. Just work my way back. One trade short. I'll take that as a win, but that was a nasty start. Because that was a 20 wick up and a 30 handle down. I died both ways on ES.
Jordan.
Bro.
Jordan. How's your trading been this morning?
Solid. Caught 100 points to the downside into London low, in the free market, into the open. There was another beautiful setup for the short, but something happened with my top step this morning and my accounts got unlinked. So I took that trade only on one account, unfortunately. So I found another opportunity, like the last possible entry I could have gotten for the short, and I caught another 120 points to the downside.
Hey, your boy, your boy Crossbars just mentioned he's back on the tape. 1,000 lot. He's back.
So yeah, we're feeling good. It's a great day so far. I just wish I nailed the first trade with all three accounts. It would have been a much bigger day, but Still a great day.
Jordy asked me how my day's gone.
Yeah, how's your day going? How we doing?
0 trades.
Honestly,
Well, that's
I don't hate it.
Pussy.
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 Like the cleanest trade was, in my opinion, the one I had in pre-market. Like that was the one that had the most like risk to reward on it. At least that I see it. The one I took later was risky.
The 580s, like double top.
Yeah, I was. It was in London session. We manipulated Asia high, and I got my points of confluence for the setup short into London low that we made. And so I was in that trade for like an hour and 15 minutes though. It's fucking long. Full position all the way to
It sucks like going right into the open volatility. Like you're like, damn it, can this just finish before the open?
But I like after studying and just back testing like these ranges over and over.
I'm gonna relong.
I know it's like
55.98.
the chances of London low getting grabbed into the open is so high, so I just held full PT into there. We made it happen, but I was pissed halfway through it. I'm like, bruh, I'm only on one account. What is happening? I didn't know what happened. So all good.
We're declaring a national emergency on energy now. I thought we're declaring national emergency on electricity. I can't keep up with that. I'm so confused.
But yeah, I respected him. No trades. Absolutely respected. You know I do. I love that.
It's all the AI chatbots, AJ.
Oh, the AI chatbot.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jordy, it's just I don't know. We're kind of in the middle here playing with things.
You don't even need to explain yourself, bro. I fully understand it, bro.
Yeah.
I absolutely get you. Yeah.
Always,
Especially right now.
for a
Now
good
we're 45
opportunity.
minutes away from lunch. This is where I start to get if I'm not in a position, I'm not looking to really be in one for the most part.
I feel you. BK, what's up, my brother?
What's good, Em?
What are you been after this morning? Some Tesla longs, maybe?
No, I
Apple shorts?
that's on my trade list. Nibbled at some Oracle. This snow is pretty interesting. About to.
You saw the headline a while ago?
I did. Probably should have been that. Yeah, it's literally low of today and yesterday is halfway on that earnings gap. So
Interesting. Oh, yeah. I see it. Wait, Oracle, you talk about an interesting reaction to earnings. Double miss, stock goes up, and then just tanks during the call.
hey,
It was a double miss. Oh wow. You couldn't tell. I did not know that by the reaction.
Ooh, Oscar.
Is that your OSCR stock?
Yeah, it's up.
How's she doing
I
today?
grabbed. It's down. It was down a good bit actually. I grabbed that 1388. It's at 1440 now.
Didn't you? Wasn't your average around 12?
No. I have no buys in the 12s actually.
Okay. 13 cents.
No, my average is actually exactly where we are right now. Okay, sorry. Well, my average is exactly where we are right now on this account. I have my IRA, which is actually in the high 13s.
I mean, that's a long hold. If you in your IRA, you don't care. No, it's not like you're watching that for a 3-month move.
Yeah, no. This isn't a short term.
Yeah, I got to read up more on the DD that you put out there. I don't know much about this stuff.
Yeah, just really good fundamentals. First profitable year last year, and they're expected to grow that by like 600, 700%. So I really like it. Good free cash flow, blah, blah, blah. A lot of stuff.
Mr. Knots.
Mr. K-Cell.
Good morning. Did you take a credit spread yet? Because I'm about to.
No. I've been waiting. Yeah, I've been waiting a little bit.
I'm about to do a PCS.
You know,
like Metro?
we seem we seem more bullish today than anything else.
So, me and Emp went over
stuff this morning with just my thesis on it, and then it lined up with his data. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful how this played out. So the algo went short at 10:05, took it down to previous day low, and then we went over it. It's going to break previous day low, going to wick underneath of it, and then they're going to retrace the move back to the upside. So they went down the 555. When they went back up and they pulled it back, they didn't break it. I longed MES right there. I just called 20 points to the upside in a matter of 3 minutes. It's pretty ridiculous. And I think they're going to pin it here underneath 560 by the end of day prior to CPI. So I'm trying to sell this put credit spread like $10 out of the money and then just chill. I'm looking at SPY somewhere like in the 546 area right now to sell.
Could have taken Microsoft that hold of VWAP. Just screamed $4 into 386 there.
You could definitely see ES getting slapped right here at the whole number.
Give VIX right at 28.
Basically, we're below rejection on SPY too.
I want to see the rejection here, pull back down to 557, and then put it in the higher low right there, do the SR flip, and then go long with the bit spread.
God, you gotta be quick. I'm short. I loaded. I'm gonna get stuffed out. Oh my God.
They just freaking ripped it like 20 right there.
No, the candle just flashed green. It's back red. What?
Yeah.
Oh my God. It's unbelievable. I had stops in, thank God. I already covered half.
So Ontario, Canada Premier has said, I will not hesitate to cut off power supplies in the United States.
Yeah, that was like 5-10 minutes ago. Right now, there's a CNBC headline that just said U.S. and Canada does not have any calls scheduled to like talk or work on any of this. That'd be wild if they cut off y'all's power. Damn.
Oh. Look,
Yep, there's you guys getting slapped at that whole number there. 12.9.
I want to see them buy it right here.
Oh my God, I got stopped out. Oh, half. That would have been a good trade.
These candles, the amount of like points that you can catch in one candle is insane.
I still think we had, 140, 19,140.
I think we're headed back to at least back test previous day's low to try to at least show a reclaim of it.
Yeah.
Because we went through it, we came back into previous day's range, but we haven't really back tested to see if it wants to support there.
Oh, that hurts so badly. Oh my God.
I may even do a condor.
I was trying to short at 10 and she went to 8.
Don't worry, Frankie. There's always another one.
Yeah, there's always another shot. Yeah, it was like 30 points away from my cover. for my stop, and he's just it tagged it and went down 70 points.
Well, let's say this defends yesterday's low, then you have a long.
Exactly.
Next trade is coming imminent. Or
Yeah,
if this
yeah,
recent
that's exactly
that
what I'm
recent
watching
little
for.
pivot.
55.75 is my next long spot.
Yeah, that recent low at paper, I like watched it trade down. What the second time?
No, so we just filled the gap on SPY, hovered on it, and then kind of pulled back a little bit. I took the short too, but I'm very cautious here because this could easily be just like an intraday higher low to. I'm actually I'm very much with Casey. Like in terms of my trading rules, it would be exactly the scenario that Casey outlined, is that they kind of like whip it around the gap, but net pin it right there until the very last few minutes of the day.
Ooh, it's approaching a 1,000 lot order.
Couldn't agree more.
It's almost like we have a rule set
Yeah.
for these type of setups.
It's something like that.
Right?
Like gap rules or something like that. Like,
Oh, there it is. 462 coming through. Come on.
Yep.
Push through.
CNBC says paperwork on new tariffs on Canada has signed.
That's fine.
There's a 557 retest and hold.
All right, take some longs off the table here. We're up for either way.
yeah, close.
The 462 is coming off the table, and we're higher now. Oh, no, he moved it to 95. He's just playing around. This guy's annoying. Just take the fill and leave.
Look at this freaking guy on NQ.
I know, right? That's the same guy, right? He's back to 95. 462.
1100.
Yep.
All right, close this. Dude, I can't believe we 37.65. I'm not expecting that kind of recovery.
I grabbed yesterday at 38. I wish I grabbed this morning at 33.
A lot of shit yesterday. I just hedged it. I sold a bunch of puts. I closed them early. I don't think you understand. But that's okay.
I don't think you understand.
It was a hard time going to sleep because I had so many tears in my eyes last night of what could potentially happen if this 33 got lost. I'm like,
Look, it was short hood, long IBM. That was the pair straight.
dude, I am currently short IBM. That's all I can tell you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Are you really trying?
Fuck yeah, dude! I am fucking short IBM, but I'm not typing that shit in the bot. Every time I send it in the bot, I fucking jinx it.
I said it this morning on live stream. I was like, should I try IBM for the third time today under 2?
Dude, I shorted it yesterday, bro, and I'm swinging.
Oh, you're good then. You're green.
I'm fucking bright green, dude.
Wow.
Oh,
If that's true, that is big. Ron Barron says Tesla robotaxis will generate $50,000 in revenue per car.
Oh, dude,
It was just not fresh.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm ugly.
Did you step on your French toast?
OG.
And one more.
It's good. I think isn't August when they're expecting the next event?
Honestly, couldn't tell you. I don't even think Elon knows.
Casey.
Making his 17th kid right now. What's up?
IBM is going down.
I hope so. And I'm not gonna
really hope so.
And I'm not gonna send it through the bot. But
Oh yeah, dude, I had 260 puts for Friday, and I.
Oh, that's a phone call.
you got a phone
Yeah,
call.
it is a phone call. Hang on, I'll be right back.
No, he sniped it there because it's got this head and shoulders. It just needs to break that 246, 245, and it's ghetto time. Maybe I'll win chase it when that happens.
Okay, Andrew. You can switch to being tower. I got it. Besides the eradication of food dyes, what else do you want to see happen here? What else do you want to get rid of in a food system? Well, I'd like to get rid of a lot of things, but I think it's about the practicality of doing so. You see, I'm glad that he's having conversations with all the stakeholders and the supply chain, but all routes to our health start with corn, farm subsidies, and the cheap products that are just being flooded onto the market. I mean, between 1995 and 2020, we spent $120 billion on corn subsidies.
This looks like a short and a half. I just can't pull the trigger.
I got nothing here, so I will not be pulling the trigger.
Nada.
Nodder.
Oh, Jesus. That alert just fire.
Look at that volume that just hit IWM too.
Back over 200. Hanging on by a thread.
I think the algo is trying to go. Hold on.
Frank, what do you always tell me? Trade the edges.
Yeah, especially
Right.
days like today. Trade
Right
the edges.
fucking middle right now.
Trade the edges, especially after a day like yesterday.
The algo is trying to go long on Qs. It just needs to pop literally right here. The candle just started. There's 4 minutes left. It has to pop here and then push back over like 473.5 and close there. And it's gonna hold and signal that long, and then target upside is 475.45.
Very true. So sure, it's great to see you in the box. We'll see you again soon. Thank you, Andy. Madison, Dale, California.
Nice pop so far.
Voting under VWAP here.
I'm taking a PCS on SPY.
$200 to be considered middle class. So take a look at the list. I think within San Jose, San Francisco, or Irvine, for example,
Did anyone see that purple candle? That might be news there.
considered middle class. And then obviously these affluent areas, because even if you look at the entire state, if you make between 63,000 and 191,000, so nearly 200, that's still considered.
I got filled up.
That's because the median income in California is just over $95,000. Now, California is the state with the
Here goes Qs. It's hitting that level. The algo's long.
I thought we were going to show. I was going to say, usually the state is really beautiful.
So, push it.
That's not the most beautiful.
I'm good with it. Push it out.
Any of us who
Q's next target, 19620. If she wants it. That's really far away. So let's get 524 first.
high cost of living, high tax rate means you have to make a lot of
Tap
money.
520. Come back to 4.
Let's see what this 1,000 lot guy does here at
Then go to
499.
630. Is he still there?
Yeah.
Bro, he's still there at 19.5. Let's go. Come on. Pushing it up and down.
AVGO back at high of day. This is from the spaces with AMP earlier, over 192.
AMP.
Is 193.15 and 195.
19.5 lots coming up. Come.
Yes, sir.
I want to short 545 to 564. No, it's a wide range, but
545 to 564. Hey, that's
Yeah.
right above my 520 target.
I've got 500 to 520-ish.
I do have 522.
Further than you want.
I do have 522, but I think that might just blast her at.
Well, my problem is I don't really want ES to go any higher right here.
Break 56. 15. But she probably won't.
Google's Waymo gradually opening doors to first public writers in Mountain View, Palo Alto, Los Altos, etc. California places.
Again, back.
He's back.
I was stressing so hard on the Robin hoodie. I had
Bro, he moved it up to 525, man.
way too much out there.
This guy's just pushing around 30 points at a time.
Yeah, he's letting the stars line.
When has a stock like what the fuck 20% down on a day, single day? I was like, are you like that was just like I did not fucking understand.
Yeah, that was fun.
He's
Remember we
shorting it.
talking about it like on 10 days ago on Spaces and keep
He's
shorting
shorting it. It's an upthrust. Like
I know, right? Okay, look how much more we went.
We filled that daily gap nicely.
We did.
Oh, yeah. Short that bad boy at 375. This thing, oh my God. All right, 10 seconds left here. QQQ is sitting right at the level, and the algo is going to close at the long. So.
Naturalist, we believe the safest truth prevails.
Hey, grab the
Too many mixed signals. I can't do anything.
Can't. It's close, but not quite. It's on the gap. Just like we said.
massive solar flare added a $20 to the day.
Let me see the pop. Let me see the
Just
pop.
can't make this easy, can they?
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we just sit right here for the next 25 minutes, though.
I wish we could have just gapped down another 1.5% to open, and then we could have longed.
Tesla's breaking intraday trend line to the upside here.
If you're shopping for a home, you could browse hundreds of listings, find homes with big yards, or compare lot sizes all at once. Search e-commerce prices.
Got ES 5600. It's above EMA is below VWAP, so that's the reason why it's pinned right here.
Our worst student area, it allowed me to live in my home and not rent books.
Very different people, but they do have a couple of things in common. They love their home, and they know their stuff. They all talk about counseling, they got children knew how the first morning works. And
AVGO about to make a new high a day. Calls.
unlock a portion of your exactly the reverse mortgage loan.
Okay, let's go on the 200.
Just like we have the morning. And you get this one the home's down.
Honestly, it's pretty thin on the order book right now. This is a massive guy that's playing around.
Look at the ES, we're going with 5608, 5583 below us. That's it. Doesn't have to do it.
Is that right?
It's a nothing.
Is it short?
Someone said something about BA. Is something going on with BA?
Oh God. Nothing's going on with BA.
Oh no, just a new high a day.
Yeah, no, but it's under 150. It's a nothing burger. It's not an important level. If you want to know what's going on with the stock, you can take a look at IBS.
I'll call back out. I'll chase it.
Don't fucking chase it. You'll chase the whole thing.
I'm
You'll
gonna chase
the whole
it.
thing. No, I'm trimming already. You're gonna chase the whole thing.
When the neckline breaks, okay,
Dude, listen.
at 246, 245,
If you take that when the neckline breaks, I swear to God, it's instantly going higher.
It probably will.
No,
Paper's
dead
so
serious.
superstitious right now.
Dead serious.
Paper's like, leave my trades alone.
Is this a weekly bull flag or a daily head and shoulders? Which way is it going to go?
Listen, just line out your levels and say like 256. If you see it again, it's a better short opportunity.
Nope. 245 break. Chasing puts.
All in.
We know you can't chase the move on IBM. You gotta take it like fuck.
Nice chart, Lux, on the one you just posted. It's beautiful.
Hey, get out from behind that. Stop it. No. You're in the weeds.
Stop it. Baby paper.
Thank you.
Casey, don't
step on the French toast.
I took that away. Oh shit, found it. He's trying to eat the chair.
That's a beautiful retest there on Q's and a push back higher. Come on. Come on, Algo. Send it. We got a Morningstar reverse as well. Inverse head and shoulders. Buy.
sitting at the same price for 30 minutes.
I'm long, baby. Give me the pop. At least before noon. I would appreciate it. Come on. You can do it.
All right, taking so long.
Here we go. Come on. A little bit more. I need a little bit more than that.
Oracle calls starting to get juicy.
Order filled.
Come on now. Come on now. There it is. All right, going to trim here?
Order filled.
Taking those ES loans off the table here, 5610.
Let's go.
Woohoo. There's my 15 target. 3 points
Boom.
away. Come on.
Yeah, Amp, I thought they were gonna bust right through this bitch.
Stop moved up. Trade doesn't go red.
I have
615 about to break.
I have some orders up above.
19530 target on NQ right there. Rejects there. Take a short. If it holds, I'll target's 19620.
I have an order at
5615 should go to 5640 if it wants to go there.
I have an order at 42, 52, and 64.
Mine's still red by $1.
Where we just hit the that level from earlier I was mentioning. That's right below 560. I was like, I don't think it's gonna reclaim above that. This is where it gets slapped and just stay in the range. I mean, this is right here. This is where I think SPY closed at the end of the day. It's literally right here. But if it wants to go higher first and then pull back, that's fine. Print the longs even more. Next target on Qs is 476.2 above this 475. $60 points.
I'm gonna lock in 30% on Oracle here. You had almost a plus 1,000 tick a minute ago.
Did you get your put credit spread, Casey?
I did. I took it when I took the longs on MNQ. I did. I sold 546 and bought 544s on SPY.
I
I had $15 out of them.
Yeah. I made dip buys on SPX 55.
Oh my god, the Robin hoodie.
Yep. Hey, and Jack's level is 55.90 on the website. So, as long as that holds, we're fine for the rest of the day. Hey, did you ever get a response back from Matt? From his RS post?
All right, 75 points here.
Who are you talking to?
Emp. I don't know if you heard me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'll take another trim here.
Something about Matt and his scooter post.
Yeah. Did you ever get a response back?
Yeah, he responded to it.
I grabbed a small short on calls. I didn't get filled on my futures. I mean, sorry, on puts. I didn't get filled on my futures yet.
Should I long again on ES?
Oh, I did get filled on 2 at 42. No, 43. I want more than a 2. But I'll take what I can get. Covered one here. Stop and profit at 32.
50%, you're on the spot.
We're all the way to the outer VWAP band right here.
And I'm going to trim some of my QQQ puts up $15 a contract. $20 a contract. There we go.
Oh, wow. Canadians who are in the U.S. for 30 days or longer will soon have to register their information with the U.S. government.
That should be fun.
Oh! Okay, moving my stop down to 502.
Nicely done, Garlic.
QQQ puts are up 30% or $50, $55 contract. Stop is now 190 on those. 195 on those puts. There we go. Do it, baby. I only have one M and Q, which kind of sucks, but hey, we're riding. Okay. Stop is now down to 492. And I'm moving my stop up on the QQQ puts to 205. Currently 225. That's up $75 a contract or 37%. Oh, I think I just got filled on that. No, almost got filled on that actually on the stops, but I did not. I was literally pennies. $42% on the contracts.
You're a wild man. Added here 55.98.
I'm bad to the bone.
You average 05.
Hey, I shorted when you got long.
Hey, man, that works.
Should I short more here?
I mean, hey, we get 20-point, 30-point candles. Both sides win.
Actually, it's 45.
Okay. I'm all out. Fully stopped on futures and Qs. Very nice trade.
Yeah, so I'm doing ES and this environment. I re-added. And I'm like, now I'm green. Yep, we're good now. Yep. Average was under 05, about 3 points in.
Okay, they just ripped her back.
Yes, sir. I'll exit at 10.
Target sits from a red list of countries. Group J, which countries are on the red list?
Well, games two, nothing has been announced officially by the White House, but if orders reporting holds up, we're talking
What the hell is this guy doing with all these orders?
other countries too, based on governmental review of the country's security risk. Now, that red list for times could include Sudan, Venezuela, Somalia, Syria, Iran, Libya, Cuba, and North Korea. You can also see, Stu, an orange list where countries face and a yellow list, giving certain countries 60 days to address security deficiencies. Now, this 2.0 ban is expected to be enacted through Trump's January 20th executive order, where he's requiring intensified security vetting for any foreigners seeking admission to the U.S. It harkens back to Trump's first ban in 2017 that was repeatedly challenged, but ultimately upheld by the Supreme Court, but repealed by Biden office. Now, speaking of challenges, Trump's
effort to end birthright citizenship, which is tied up in court, just got the support of 18 GOP House members, including, you see here, Judiciary Committee Chairman Jim Jordan. They filed an amicus brief yesterday in the Ninth Court of Appeals. Oral arguments in that case are set to begin in June. Meanwhile, that controversial Biden-era CBP One app, look at that, allowed thousands to enter the U.S. It's been reprogrammed into a self-deportation app. It's not being challenged to, but unclear exactly how much it's actually being used. Fair enough, but we got to deal with that, Griff. Here we go. Good check. Thanks a lot. The Trump administration is unveiling that new app to help illegal migrants to self-deport. Very interesting.
There she is at 10, covering half.
Are migrants really going to get on this app?
You're selling half.
Sorry, selling half. Well, if she gets 15, that'd be great, but I don't know if she'll get there.
AVGO hit next target upside, and we're still in the $200 call.
I'll hit you to the upside. Maybe.
Oh, please do it, baby. It's been a day. I feel like getting smacked around a little bit.
God damn.
Mm-hmm.
Amp, I'm getting ready.
For the Big Mama short?
It's a short right here. It's a short.
Yep.
I'm also getting ready for the Big Mama short.
That 5-minute candle again on SPY. It wicked above it, closed below. Look at that freaking next 5-minute candle. I think it retraces back before it pushes higher. That's short shit out of this thing right here.
You got to hang it on the 5, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm waiting. I would love it to get a little bit higher.
I mean, I'm long, so obviously I wanted to go higher, but if I wasn't long and I was looking to get into a position, risk to reward, get a short right here. But we got big support right below us, and we got big resistance lately just right above us, so it's best to sit on HIMS. I'm about to go into lunchtime as well.
We're not going anywhere. That's 10 minutes.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh,
Oh, wow, what a good exit.
they just dumped 30 points there.
Beautiful exit.
Yeah, I didn't tell you, but I think this drops 40, 50 points. Right.
Drop it low, girl. Drop it
Problem
low.
I have is that it's moving up, the tape's moving up, the EMA is moving up with it.
That 5-minute hanging man needs that 463 wick.
What, did that 1,000 watt order guy only become 800?
Half.
Did you take 200 off?
There it is, Frank. There it is.
19,
Come on.
There's some size on the sell right there. 40 lots are filling on the sell side.
The short setup on SPY looks a lot cleaner than it does on Q. Q's would bounce stronger today. Q's would bounce right here. This is the level from earlier from the algo that needs to break to hit that target. It just passed it. So if it bounces there, that's just a higher low off it. It'll go back up and hit the 475.4 again. And that lines up with the 9 on SPY.
2 bottom wicks right off of the EMA9.
Okay, the odds of a May rate cut are down 8% today.
Down 8%.
Yes, sir.
After going up 13 yesterday.
Yup. Yeah, it is looking less likely. 58% chance of a hold.
Yeah, Frank, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what this wants to do.
No, I don't either. I mean,
No
I
idea.
covered some. I'm kind of like losing interest. 4 minutes.
What's that Boeing rejection after that large volume candle?
What? I haven't looked at Boeing chart in so long, bro. Don't even know where it's trading at.
Yeah, we got higher lows, lower highs.
Holy crap, 150?
All right, I just covered. I'm down. I got like 4.
It's nothing but sells in the tape right now too, and there's this massive order over our heads still chasing it, or not chasing it, but like toying with it.
Top 2.
Nicely done.
Shout out to Paper Games for Vol D. It just hit the 0 line and got smacked. Beautiful spot to go short there.
You gotta break that last low.
There's a VWAP on SPY.
Ooh. Nice short, Frank. Yeah, order is at 19,520 now. 800 lots. Just sitting there.
Inside candles right now on the 5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they're coming in.
There it goes. There's the back to 440.
Minus 900 tick.
And this is where you will see SPY potentially bounce at the bottom of the chop box. What a beautiful spot to go short.
There's VWAP. Well,
There was that. Look at that 19,520 return in Q. Down 80 points. Dude, 520.
Yeah, they're gonna drain it.
Hold if she wants to guess higher, but look for a level here at 375.
Gentlemen, let me know when we're sitting at 140 on NQ. That's all I want to hear.
Drain it.
Valdi is getting smacked.
Drain.
But
Right.
this is where the tick just went almost minus 1,000, and Vix is a little bit at resistance on the back test. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a little buy here on SPY pop back up.
I was about to say, the time extended ticket.
Yeah.
Hello. I just covered my 4.
Let's go, Frank.
Yeah.
Noise.
That was about 100 points right there.
That's how you win, baby. Frank catches 100 points. He's just like, just another day in the office. I'll do it again in 5 minutes.
Trade the edges, baby.
Mm-hmm.
You got a second shot paper. You always do. Second chance.
Microsoft might start using natural gas to power
Second
its
chance
data centers.
is a better one.
Oh my gosh.
BK's long natty.
Do you watch Boyle at all?
I've learned time boiling cold both, but I can't. I don't have an understanding of trading that market.
Oh well, I mean they call nat gas for the Widowmaker for a reason. Oil's over $100.
Look at that, BK.
Look at that bounce. Holy shit.
Look at that SPY candle.
We
Look
get
at that. Yeah. Look at
Now
that.
slam it back down.
It did just hit back to the 0 right here, so I wouldn't be surprised if yes. I mean, even just for a scalp though, I mean, that was a little spot for a little bounce.
Yeah, you masks are coming off those ticks with future. You gotta find there.
Yeah, everything I've done so far. So I'm read for SPY, but like for most of these things that I'm doing today, I've been a little bit more active in the futures account with MES and MNQ, just with this kind of pricing, and then you guys getting me exposed to tick and Vol D. I mean, it's been a huge game changer to get in and get out on and catching these moves very quickly. It's been beautiful. Good price action for future scalps, not for options.
Well, I had some orders for short at 460 and above here if they got there just now, but it doesn't look like they're going to get there.
What's a good emoji for nat gas, Sam?
I'm gonna have to take the gas can.
Oh,
No way, dude. It's the poop emoji.
Poop for methane?
Yeah.
Is it not the skull with the crossbone?
No. That's like nuclear. No, nuclear has its own thing. Is there like a steam emoji?
Pile of shit.
Yeah. Side note, Casey, IBM. Going lower.
From Mitberg.
Side note: QQQ Inspire Red again.
Dude, Apple is legit. It's coming up on this 220 level. It's big time.
Yeah, that's
time
where I
level.
took it down this morning for this and closed it.
I mean, that's a large time frame level.
If it loses 220, it gets really bad next quarter.
Exactly. Yeah, it's gulag. It's the gulag below that.
I closed and took my profits because I knew it was going to get a big ass reaction. But when it holds underneath that, it's another short.
Paper, you remember that when we were playing Apple in the 190 to 200 range?
Yeah, that's exactly it. That's the one.
Bro, that highway in that 190 200 was so long.
It's if this loses 195s,
so long.
which is like another $25 down.
Yeah. 195? Wait, what?
195s.
Okay, no, I see what you're saying. 220, 190, yeah. You know, that makes sense. Oh, Tesla doing good today after probably like his 8th worst day in history.
Yeah, don't speak too quickly though. The day's not over, man.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, remember how long we based that like 170 on Tesla?
Bro, I would love Tesla at 180.
But they just got back from lunch. They just finished their crab
They
legs.
just left for lunch, dude.
Oh,
They're not back yet.
That would be awesome.
Oh, you're right. Maybe.
Oh, well, I'm getting
They shorted into lunch. So they said, "Okay, fuck this. Short it. We'll come back."
Well, they tried the bounce, and they're like, "No, we're not going to go to lunch long." That's what that is.
Frank, you still short?
Yeah. Damn it.
No, he covered.
Sucks.
You covered the last 4 and plus
I
100.
started 4 when M said, "This is the back test." We're getting close now. It's over.
Wait. Is this yesterday's low? Right here on
Yesterday's low is another.
No, it's lower again.
No. Look at SPY.
on the spooce. On the
It's
spooce.
almost there, paper. It's cents away. Like
Yeah.
50 cents
Yeah,
away.
that's close enough.
That's where it needs to hold and reclaim. If it fells that, then we're making new lows.
Yeah, I got to stop at 04.
So this is kind of a breakdown. I agree, and the market needs to get out of the system. But the long-term play here, I think, is still in favor of
They're going to take this.
So if you hit the swing low on SPY to this previous swing high, this is the little golden pocket right here.
Yeah. I want to see it over 557,
Why am I
honestly.
talking about fibs and golden pocket like I know what I'm doing? I don't use this shit.
Could not tell you.
Okay, so I meaning to ask you, what is that in your pocket?
It's not what you think it is.
That's in my pocket.
Not a banana.
Oh, I will never put that nasty ass fruit in my pocket.
I feel bad for my son. My wife wants to buy clothes, and like if there's something with them, I literally just take it and put it directly into the garbage can. I'm not joking. Not putting that shit on.
That's savage, paper.
Holy shit!
That's savage, bro.
Oh fuck! I love paper.
Looking at it makes me mad. I'm not trying to be mad whenever I look at you, dude.
I can't hate my own son.
Yeah, no.
Oh my lord.
While we have some free time in the free fall, I know we had some college football people.
Well, we're gonna try and bounce here. We're gonna try.
No paper. Shh.
It's a lunch hour, dude.
No,
Give me a counter.
test.
Give me a fucking counter turn, dude.
And I know we had some people that played college football. Did anyone play college basketball? Take that as a no. I was gonna say, what does everyone think for March Madness?
Oh, I am gonna work on.
Oh my God, are we going to the gulag?
There it is. It's
Apple 219.
It's got a
Oh,
little
right
right
here.
here at 219.
No,
Yeah, it is.
What?
It's
It just lost it.
Bye bye.
Oh.
Bye bye pop up.
America, it's 200 points.
Holy.
That's a big loss on this map all.
Yep. And SPY previous day low broken.
Alright, it's a test. It's a test. It's a test. I don't want to fucking dude. If I short this now, that feels dumb.
No, you short the next pop.
I mean, dude.
How often, like yesterday's candle, how often do you get that large of Apple candles? Not fair.
If the thing is like below 220, this is going to get very springy in both directions. Whoosh and the whipsaw.
Plus,
So that's 220.
I see as a reversal sign.
Yeah, it's sketchy.
QQQ back to 470. One. Not there yet. Pretty close.
I think you get 221.50 on Apple in the next 30, 45 minutes.
I would like Q's, but never mind. It's going to be hard to get that level.
I just want Apple back at 200. Is that too much to ask for?
No, it's not. It'll get there, man. You can get Tesla under 200 too while you're at it.
I'd buy Apple at 200 for sure.
People would. Look at Google chart. 160-ish.
Look at IBM chart.
I don't trade that stock. Trash. On Google 140 would be amazing.
Wait, have you seen Intel sub 20 again?
Bro, Amazon sub 200. Ooh.
That actually might be a buy.
Amazon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it sub 2. I mean, clearly in a downtrend right now, but DCAs aren't bad. 180 is huge. Wait, I need to zoom out because I haven't charted this stock in forever. Yeah, it's got some levels from July at 195, some big levels of 187, and you got to go all the way back to November 2021 to go to 185. 187, 185. That's not a bad area. I like it here too. Let's go now.
Wow. Apple 219.50.
Bro, Apple's dead.
Oh my God.
It was always a shark.
I'm gonna have to do it.
I agree.
That was a great
Stayed
short.
low, did not hold.
It was a phenomenal short, right? We got out right near the high 10. Down 50 points since then.
Okay, I'm gonna have some lunch. BRB.
Sorry, Knots, I got distracted. All right, BK. Sorry, Knots, I got distracted and was watching that previous day low level. Mine broke. I do want to put together a bracket challenge for everyone on Spaces, like on ESPN or Yahoo somewhere.
I'm taking another trim on my IBM.
Ooh.
College basketball app?
Yeah.
Yeah, count me in, Emp. I'd love to take your money again.
Again.
Yeah.
Oh, last year I think I did have like a terrible bracket. But no, I do want to like. It didn't have to be for money or anything. I just for bragging rights for all the Spaces listeners and community. Did it last year. We had fun. When is that? This starts next week, Tuesday, I think.
I think so. Something like that.
Yeah, I think it starts next Tuesday. Yeah, we'll get something together. No, it's all. I'll shoot you a text.
Okay.
Yesterday's low, right?
Oh my God, they rejected it.
Yesterday's low?
Yeah. So far.
So far, you gotta wait for 5-minute close.
Yeah.
Man, that was a beautiful short at 80. Where'd that 1,000 lot dude go? Is he still on there? Nope. Yeah, he's there. He's at 19.5 way too far away. He ain't coming back.
What you got? What is that? Busted us. Find your clip. Yeah. You just bring this to your space. You want your yogurt or what?
What flavor is that yogurt?
Oh shit. Strawberry.
I could go for that.
The go-go squeeze.
Yo, it's 12:18 Eastern, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's 9:18 Pacific.
Guess what time it is for me?
12:18.
No,
No,
isn't he? No, aren't you in freaking Thailand or some shit?
11:18 p.m. But the time change just messed me up. I had everything figured out.
Oh, because you guys didn't. The rest of the world, only the U.S. did the daylight savings. The rest of the world did not.
And that too, not all of Arizona doesn't do it.
Oh, really?
No, Arizona does not do it.
Nice. It's fucking hilarious, dude.
I know. I've got some people who work out there for me in Arizona. They're like, I have to readjust for all you guys for all my meetings get messed up. I mean, they've tried to vote it up at the federal level a couple times to get rid of it. I don't think it ever got close to being proposed.
Too many people like it one way, too many people like it the other.
Yeah, it just makes no sense. But it's always.
How about we just put it right down the middle and just do it at 30 minutes? And then finalize it.
Like the argument, like a lot of parents are making, is because they're dropping their kids off in the dark. But like, which I understand. But at the end of the day,
the whole thing
to have
was
longer days,
farmers.
bro, like your kid is like not really in the dark.
It was
for
to allow
long.
the
It goes straight to
farmers.
clinics light in 20 minutes. I just
Yeah, right?
Shit, I went to school in the motherfucking dark. Like,
You lived on a boat.
I was fine. I did all right. Like, I
What was
understand it, bro. I understand. Like, they don't want their kid dropped off in the dark. I get it. I totally understand it. But yeah, it just I don't know. Daylight savings is always funny. It's like, all right, change it again. I know, like, personally, I think we should. What? Sorry.
What was that? Someone just mic?
No, it's just a random account on Twitch, a random stream, like.
Oh, yeah, it sounded like you were watching a video there.
Yeah, well, no, it didn't sound like me. It was not me. But I had my videos. So.
Yeah, that was. I thought somebody randomly just came up, blurted something, just got dipped.
No.
Oh, you good, bro. You good. Beautiful job again, Frank, on the short. Well done, bro.
Are we having options yet? 140?
You said no. We're 360, bro.
We still got 200 points or so. All right.
Level from. Where's your 140 level from?
Overnight low, Asia low.
Oh, that's.
We never took it in London.
We went that low overnight. Shit, I'm not even.
If we took it in London, I wouldn't think there's a reason to go there. But we also have reason to just hold because this higher time frame, the hourly, we're just chopping sideways and holding. If we want to hold this general area, I mean, it's 380 to 300. It could be all right, but if we rock it, that's where I think we're going.
I'm long at 3. Where am I long? 345.
You're a bad man.
Hey, that's right. I was long at 375.
Very, very bad man.
345. Damn, my boy's already at 50 points.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, Frank is nasty, bro. Are we sure Frank's not the 1,000 lot order above mine?
No, Frank's the 10 million order.
I'm positive it's not Frank.
He's like, I'm positive.
It's not me.
Looking for a move higher. Let's see. Got a little volume gap here, so you probably got another 20 points here.
Hey, Garlic, we're reclaiming yesterday's one now and holding.
On what?
Spoos?
I don't really just. I'll be honest. I don't look at SPY that much, and I probably should. SPY.
Stop making lunch.
Yeah, SPY does have higher lows there. Let's see.
On ES has 55.72. Give or take a point. Never mind, we're back below.
Oh, Hood February metrics are out.
Who? What?
They
Robin
come
Hood.
out like an hour or two.
I guess so.
Yeah, I think I shy
should've
post
tagged
them.
you. I saw Evan posted them.
we're getting rain.
Are you?
Is it not raining where you are?
No.
Really interesting. Okay. Yeah, we got some good rain past like 2 days.
Claim on 5590 would be huge on ES if we can get that. So the first breakdown started at 1150. Retest. I still got that level above the 520 on NQ. Once I retest it. Rejected twice at the same time. Fell apart. That level is just based on options. Apple is dead.
Wow. Schmapple.
This yesterday's low is just trying to hold on for dear life.
Yeah. I mean, so I think I think Casey articulated it pretty well earlier, but I still think we get pinned somewhere around the gap, 558, 60s. We could chop, right? This is technically chop. So a back half post-lunch bounce from whatever we are to 559s, give or take. Still probable, plausible.
Yeah, I mean, Qs are holding quite a bit above yesterday's low, more than 6 booze, which is sitting right there.
Which is somewhat bullish.
Tech getting more slaughtered is kind of make
Well,
things fall
yeah, so
apart.
like it would be like the I guess we'd want to look at some of the safety trades, see if they're unwinding, right? Oh no, like your Altria, Gilead. Yeah, okay, so Gilead is coming down. That was hot and heavy. Mo coming down. So yeah, so some of the safety trades unwinding slowly. Those need to come all the way back though. Gilead looks like a bit I mean, if you still want to short something, it does not look bad. But if those continue to unwind, I don't know, like your what's Procter, PG, or like General Mills, like the lame-o stocks. If those unwind, that would actually make SPY a little bit weaker, while Q's has a little relative strength, and that's kind of what we're seeing.
No, that makes sense. So it's not necessarily it's a safety versus tech trade.
Right.
Right. So I see what you're saying, right? But like, if you pair the two indices side by side, right, the last couple of months, tech has been not front running, but front leading the drop down.
Yeah, 100%.
And Snooze has been playing catch up, which would make sense given the way they're balanced. But that's why IWO was pissing me off, because it was refused to cooperate.
Hey guys, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go get some lunch. I will talk to you guys later. If you guys are interested in trading live with us every day, WAP.com/Bull Trade Finder. I'll send out my daily recap at the end of the day. Also got to send out yesterday's. Was a good 2 days. Today over 1,300 on futures, just about flat on options. Still got to do a spread. So we'll see how that goes too.